Welcome back to the Keto Chow YouTube channel. We are so excited to have you. We love having our adventures with you guys and with our very favorite chef, James. He's gonna make us something delicious today. How are you, sir?
Great.
Good, I'm so glad that you're here. What are you making for us today?
So we're making a spinach artichoke dip with the Keto Chow Savory Chicken. This is the star of the show, actually.
And what I love so much about Keto Chow is that we know we're gonna get vitamins and minerals. It always has probably 2 to 3 grams of carbohydrates and 26 grams per serving of protein. Come on, that's incredible. And it's gonna taste amazing, but also we're gonna get the yummy, healthy things as well.
That's right. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to use about 16 ounces of cream cheese. And then we're going to cut up the artichoke hearts. You can do it in a lot of different ways. You can grill them, you can saute them. This is a pretty popular Mediterranean ingredient you'll find. Cut this up and it's already been marinated.
Did you already put olive oil in them?
Nope, just from a can. It's super simple. So
great.
It's usually already marinated and seasoned and everything.
Perfect.
So we're not gonna do anything crazy with them other than just put them in the same bowl. The cream cheese. So we're gonna transfer this over into a bigger bowl because we got a lot of ingredients in here and we wanna make sure everything is incorporated together. So then we're gonna add a cup full of raw spinach and then let's add avocado mayo. So it doesn't have any of that nasty vegetable oil in it.
Nice.
So this is gonna give the dip more of a tangy flavor to it.
Okay.
We're gonna throw in about a cup of sour cream. So we'll do a cup of Parmesan Reggiano and then a cup of mozzarella cheese. And we're just gonna, I'll let you do the honors. You go ahead and stir this.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
I like feeling fancy because I do not cook like this unless you're here. So I really want to. I think you teach us a lot of things about cooking in general that I think is really helpful for a lot of people because I don't have these skills. It's awesome.
And by the way, you can do this. My thing on cooking is there's not one way to do something. So you can cut up the spinach. I like to keep it whole, less work. You know, that's looking really good.
Yeah.
And okay, so let's move this over to the side for a second.
Okay.
And then I'm just gonna mince up this garlic real quick. Okay, this should be good. And then we'll go ahead and throw that in.
I feel like this would be something so fantastic to bring to a party. Like,
yes.
and then I could just throw in, oh, and also it has a ton of protein. I feel like
By the
I'd
way,
be like everyone's favorite person at a
yeah,
party.
exactly. We're gonna do a scoop of savory chicken keto chow. We'll sprinkle a little bit in at a time as you're mixing it in.
Okay.
This will add some additional flavor. Here, let me hold the bowl for you. So you go ahead and mix it.
It's very thick. This is fun.
And it's okay if it's not completely mixed in because as it goes in the oven, it's gonna melt.
Yeah.
And then we can mix it in afterward. It might be a little bit easier.
Okay.
And then we're gonna throw in some crushed black pepper.
Oh, minus the plastic top.
Exactly. Okay.
Fabulous. Very creamy.
Throw it in here and grab the bowl. Put this in the oven for 375 for about 20 minutes.
Looks fantastic. You just feel like this is such a like decadent, like guilty pleasure kind of meal, but this is completely healthy. This is
really
totally
is.
healthy and it's gonna taste amazing. I just know it. Oh, It smells so good, James.
So we'll throw some celery sticks around here.
I love how you always make everything look so pretty. It always looks like art.
Because we always eat first with our eyes. Actually, we first eat with our nose because we smell before we see, right?
That makes sense. I like that.
We'll throw some olive oil on. Okay.
Looks
Should
incredible,
we dig in?
yes.
Dig in?
I'm so excited.
What do you think?
Come on. Oh my goodness. You bring something like this to a party, you're gonna be the absolute favorite. That is delicious. Well done, sir. Thank you so much for coming on the channel again, James. Do you like being with us?
I love it.
Yeah. Do you love these Keto Chow products? Tell us how you feel about Keto Chow.
I feel more excited to develop more recipes after this because it's so easy to do.
And there are just so many options. There's so many different recipes that we can make. So we'd love to hear a comment below if you guys have any ideas for recipes you want Chef James to make using the Keto Chow products. There are so many options, and I'd love any excuse to have him back in my kitchen. So thank you for joining us. Please subscribe, please share with your friends.